Darling, did you think Japanese was all quiet and polite? Think again. Here are top 5 Japanese slang words that will make you sound cool and a little bit too smart. Number 1, yabai. Yabai, this one's a bit wild. It can mean delicious, awesome, or just crazy. Your friend gets free concert ticket? Yay, yaba! That's insane. That is how you can use it. Number 2, majide. Majide means seriously or for real. Someone says they saw a ghost. Majide? For real? Number 3, kimoi. This one's a bit rude, but so common. It means gross or creepy. A cockroach walks by. Kimoi. Number 4, ukeru. Ukeru means that's hilarious or LOL. Your friend tells a dumb joke. Ukeru. Number 5 is dasai. Dasai. Dasai means something's uncool or lame. Socks with sandals. Dasai. So, which one will you use today? Be careful though. Use too much slang and people might think you are a Japanese high schooler. Want to learn more real Japanese? Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.